everyone. So today I'm starting the countdown to Christmas. So I'm doing the 12 days of Christmas. So every day I'll be featuring 12 products, then 11, then 10, yada, 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 down to number 1. So today I thought I would do my 12 favorite multi-purpose hydrating peptide serums. There's so many different kinds of serums. You have brightening serums, niacinamide serums, exfoliating serums, yada, yada, yada. Today I just wanted to feature good old-fashioned hydrating peptide multifunctional serums. So I'm going to start with my favorite, the Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum by First Aid Beauty. Love this stuff. Talked about enough, but I love it. So a surprise favorite and a serum I just purchased a few months ago is the Hyalamide SubQ serum. I wasn't expecting to like this one as much as I do, but I really am enjoying it. So the SubQ Advanced Serum doesn't have any fragrance or alcohol, but it's got a lot of good peptides in it. I will say, since adding this one into my routine, I've noticed my skin just looks more lively, more hydrated, a little bit lessened in wrinkles and fine lines, and it's pretty affordable. So this one is a new one to me, and I'm loving it. I can't wait to do my full review on it. Okay, another nice hydrating serum, the Crave Beauty Great Barrier Relief Serum. This one's great, although if you have very, very acne-prone skin, might not be so much of a favorite because it does have some nice oils in there. But overall, if you have oily skin, you can probably use this one in place of a moisturizer some days. And this one, when my skin is irritated, flaky, dry, this one's a go-to, and it always brings my skin back to life. Okay, another newer one from this year, the Aveeno Calm and Restore Serum. They came out with several new products. This one's one of my favorites. Super lightweight, absorbs pretty quickly, sets to a slightly tacky finish, but if you apply a moisturizer over it, that's not an issue. So this one's a great one for many different skin types, and no fragrance in that one. Okay, the Menly, I've talked about this brand a little bit, but not enough, in my opinion. They're super affordable. I believe they're available from Urban Outfitters currently, but they're worth searching because this little bottle is like $7.99, but I got it on sale. But this one's a great multi-purpose serum because it has niacinamide in there. It's got a little bit of retinol, vitamin E, and then a vitamin C derivative. So this one is great. And even if you're not a guy, you can still use it. I love this one. And I'm not a guy and I still use it and I love it. And it's super affordable. Okay. One more from the Joseon company. The Ordinary. I love their buffet serum, but their buffet and copper peptide serum just gives it a little bit of an extra boost. And it's a little bit more aesthetically pleasing to apply. It has a beautiful blue color from the copper peptides. So this one's really nice. This one and the buffet are both great. Multi-purpose firming serums. Okay, the Verst On the Rise Firming Serum. This one's also a great multi-purpose serum because it's got a lot of good beneficial ingredients in there. It's got several different retinols in there, as well as several other beneficial ingredients, and it really will help firm your skin. I was a little bit iffy on this brand when they first came out, but they've really shown their true colors with some of their great products. Their retinol is amazing. Some of their micellar waters are great. This one's also a really nice product from them. So congrats to Verst. Okay. They just came out with a moisturizer, which should be in my mail any day now. I'm waiting impatiently for it, but their glass skin serum is amazing. It's got nice peptide in there, a lot of good hydrating ingredients. It plays nicely with other products. No fragrance, no alcohol. Kind of pricey, but if you watch around, it can be on sale all the time. So always do a little bit of Googling before you pick it up because it seems to be on sale somewhere all the time. Let's see. Okay. The Rovectin Skin Essentials Serum. Skin Essentials Aqua Activating Serum. This one's a bit newer to me. I picked it up a few months ago and I've been playing with it, but I really like it. It's got a really nice gel texture. It absorbs quickly. A lot of good hydrating ingredients in there. Doesn't seem to mess around with other products. Works nicely under sunscreens. And no noticeable fragrance or alcohol in this one. Although it's a little bit pricey, a little bit of it goes a long way. So really like this one as well. And I've got 3 left. The Stradia Rewind Serum is really nice. This one's super hydrating. This one is my winter go-to. Very nice for dry, flaky skin. Oily skin might be able to get away with it more in the evening, not so much in the daytime. but this one at night plays well with other products, layers well, and really leaves my skin soaking it up while I'm sleeping. And the Neogen Real Ferment Micro Serum is great. If you've tried the essence, this one is the serum to the essence. No fragrance, no alcohol, lots of good rice ingredients in there. Lots of biotic ingredients and very hydrating. Plays well with other products and never breaks me out, which is amazing. And the last one is the Beauty of Joseon Repair Serum, which is ginseng and snail mucin, which are two of my favorite things. A nice combination. They have a whole line of 3 new serums that they came out with, which are all alcohol and fragrance free. This one's my favorite out of all of them because it's got the snail mucin in there, but works great. I love to use it in my evening routine when I'm looking for a bit of a change. So those are 12 serum, multi-purpose serums I love. Tomorrow I'll come in with 11 products and we'll keep counting down. So anyway, leave a comment with your favorite multi-purpose hydrating or peptide serum. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.